Hello friends, today's topic, though loss making, F&O provides extreme thrill. Beware. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is service to society. As you know, in the last 4 years, the number of demat accounts has increased from 4.1 crores in March 2020 to around 13 crore demat accounts in 2023. Many investors have been attracted to the market after the huge rally in 2020 and 21. Investors are attracted to the market because of the hope of quick money. There are broadly three ways to make money. Number one, long term, 5 years plus plus. Two, short term, few days to few months. Three, ultra short term, intraday and F&O, etc. Most people focus on option number three. We received a comment from one of our channel members as follows. Derivative segment is exponentially growing year on year compared to the cash market. SEBI says over 90% of people incurred net losses. Despite losses, why there has been increasing interest in them? Will people lose focus towards long-term investing after their losses? This is a very good question, since this is what is happening and this is what will happen to large number of investors. Ideally, investors must start with long-term investing in stocks and create a financial foundation to create wealth. Even short-term investing can be avoided in the initial stages. However, most investors start with intraday trading, and since most of them lose money, they get discouraged and exit stock markets. Not only do such investors never return to stock markets, they inform their friends and relatives about the negatives of the stock market. This is like a new driver who starts driving at 120 kilometers per hour, and when he meets with an accident, he never drives again, but also tells everybody that driving is very dangerous. In fact, the lesson to be learned in such a situation is that driving at high speed is a mistake and we are to blame for it and not the road or the car or the driving itself. Similarly, intraday trading and F&O trading is risky even if it is done with lot of technique and risk management, but when new investors do such thing, the chance of loss is about 95 to 99%, almost more than that. In spite of SEBI making it compulsory to display a disclaimer for investors to be aware that 89% of people who do F&O trading make loss, new investors continue to trade it. The reason for this is that intraday and F&O trading gives a lot of thrill for investors, and when a trader makes profit or even gets excited about a potential one, the brain releases a feel-good neurochemicals such as dopamine and serotonin. This makes traders to continue even when they are making losses, since they will hope of making profits. It is similar to playing Dream 11, which gives extreme thrills though you lose the money. This is the same reason why some people do betting in race course. Even though they may lose, the hormones secreted in their mind encourage them to continue. Also, most of the times, new investors don't have the risk appetite to lose money. Finally, when they lose their complete capital, they realize they were just doing the wrong thing. By that time, they lose complete interest in stock markets. Some people are able to withstand the loss, and some people cannot take the pressure and lose their life. Just the other day, we made a video, ಷೇರು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಷ್ಟ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಟೆಕ್ಕಿ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ, ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಾಯಿತು? Share this information with your friends and family so that you can save their money and maybe even their lives. You never know who might need this information. Don't be lazy and share our videos with your contacts. At the end of the video, here is a question. Did you start stock markets by doing intraday and F&O? Yes or no? In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.